Well, hello campers! Welcome back to experiment number 2. Today we are going to make something very exciting, something we all love. And that is fireworks. But how on earth are we going to make fireworks inside? My goodness. It's called fireworks in a jar. Aren't you excited? I am. Okay. Doesn't that sound fun? I think so. So, before we get started, I have a little bit of a joke for you. So why did the scientist take out the doorbell? Anyone? Anyone? Bueller? Because he wanted to win the Nobel Prize. Nobel Prize, get it? Well, I thought it was funny. Anyway, now scientists, we need to get all of our materials together for our experiment today. So, what do we need? What did we need? What did we need? Ah, yes, the bag of science. The mysterious bag of science. I suggest everyone get one. They're very exciting. It's jar fireworks. Well, look at that. We have a jar. Wunderbar. You can use anything you want. Here I have like a little vase. You can use a tomato jar, a canning jar, anything see-through because you want to be able to see the fireworks once we have them all together. We need, once again, some food coloring. Ah, wunderbar. There's some food coloring. So you can use any colors you want. Also, we need something, it's a medium to make the fireworks really pop, and that is vegetable oil. Okay, and now once again we need something to stir it up. Yep, so we have a fork. Now, because we are going to be mixing our water and oil separately, we need something else. And now we have a bowl. If I can find it, there it is. A bowl for this mixing. Okay, and now we also need something else. Oil. We need some water. Let me see what we have in here. Okay, there's some water. Wunderbar. So now that we have our ingredients, we'll put the wonderful science bag away. Okay. And now once we have all our materials on the table, we are going to start by taking the glass jar and filling it up about 3/4 full with warm water. It's very important that we remember that it's warm water. That's about 3/4 full. Wonderful. Make sure it's not cold, okay? So now that we have that full, we'll move on to the next step. Now after you filled it with water, we are going to put that aside and come back to it a little bit later. Take your small bowl and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. 1, 2. I'm going to do before because it's a bit of a bigger jar, okay? There's 4. Okay, now we're going to add some food coloring. There we go. Now taking a fork, we are going to stir all the oil and the coloring together. And you will see it's beautiful colors. Beautiful, just beautiful. Maybe you can see, when you do it at home, you will be able to see a little bit better. Once it's all stirred, we're going to slowly pour the mixture into the jar and watch what happens. So, wow! At first it was like nothing was happening, but watch, as the food coloring and the oil and the water separate, they create a wonderful, amazing assortment of colors. Look at that. Look at that. Watch. As it comes down. Almost like a lava lamp, isn't it? So that is what we call fireworks in a jar. Very easy to do. You should be able to find these ingredients all around your house. And just want you to have fun, like we just had a bit of fun. And you can just sit and watch the colors mix. I'm sure it takes a bit of a while. Yeah, so why do you think this happens? Well, I will just explain very quickly. The oil is lighter than the water. And so what happens is the oil sits to the top, but we have the food coloring sitting in the oil, which is heavier. So once the food coloring sits to the bottom of the oil, it falls to the bottom of the water and creating this wonderful, colorful effect. Well, campers, thank you so much for joining me today, and I wish you a wonderful, wonderful good day. And we will see you later. Bye.